hear the bridge creak. Which way is he coming from?
I don't know. I think he's coming over there.
I think he is too. But
Yeah.
no. There he is. Oh, that's cool. That is awesome. That's pretty cool. Yep. That's the one I wanted. I wanted to see a train go over this bridge. That's cool. That's an old trestle too. Pull a horn. Those middle ones, those are the engines running, you can hear them. Those blue ones you saw? There's somebody in there? Oh yeah, there is. That's a lot of units. That's pretty cool. They're waving at us. Do you see that? That's cool. I thought they were remote controlled, but nope. What a cool job, huh? Probably boring. Imagine the beautiful scenery you see though. Comes the back. Pushing hard. I heard that all night. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool there too. This is the pipeline right here. All the bugs are gonna start again. This easement right here is where they put the pipeline.